Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have PowerPoint open and the slide you want. Start by clicking the text box to prepare it. Once selected, press Ctrl+A to highlight all text inside the box so every line changes together. Look at the Home tab's font group to confirm the current size. That tells you your starting point. Make sure text isn't in a shape you can't edit, and if needed, switch to normal view so you see editable placeholders before moving to size adjustments. Now change the size precisely. Pick the font size drop-down and choose a numeric value like 36 or type 48 directly, because exact numbers give consistent results. Alternatively, use Ctrl+Shift+ to step sizes up if you want quick iteration. Use Ctrl+Shift+ to step down. If multiple text boxes need the same treatment, shift-click to multi-select them or go to View Slide Master to finish by making the larger text fit. Resize the text box or adjust margins so lines don't overflow, and use paragraph spacing to keep readability. If text jumps size automatically, open Format Shape Text options and set Auto Fit to Do Not Auto Fit or shrink text on overflow depending on your intent. This controls whether PowerPoint reduces type to fit. If sizes still behave oddly, inspect Slide Master for conflicting styles and override or update the master so your chosen font size sticks across slides.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.